Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to scale up a video with Camtasia. So firstly, you have to on top center top, you'll find here the drop down menu. Click on this drop down menu and you can scale up the video from here. Okay, so after that, you can scale up the video from here by clicking on this option visual properties. This option, click on this and you'll find this option scale. You can scale up the video by clicking your mouse like this. And another last thing is you can scale up your video by mouse directly. You can just do it with the mouse. Okay, here you can see the arrow sign. You can do this with the mouse. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.